Hello, and welcome to the Making of an Enforceable Policy and How It Improves Auditability. I'm Christine Sanni, co founder and CEO of Sybal, a governance, intelligence, and AI cloud infrastructure company automating the analysis and measurement of policy effectiveness. Why governance? Because governance mitigates real risks, risks that threaten human life, way of life, and our shared experiences. But what excites me most is that governance also creates opportunities to improve outcomes that can transform lives. Now that you know my why, let's begin. We'll cover three key topics. One, what defines an enforceable policy? Two, how to write one. Third, how enforceability improves auditability. If you work in compliance, risk, or policy, grab your pen. This session is for you. An enforceable policy contains language and rules that are both observable and measurable. Each directive must be written so its performance can be seen and verified. What makes a policy observable? Each directive includes a responsible party who acts, an expected outcome, what must happen, a defined condition, when, where, or how it happens. Example, the sales representative must provide a copy of the return policy with the receipt to the customer at the time of sale. Here, the responsible party is the sales representative, the outcome is providing the return policy, and the condition is at the time of sale. The benefit of observable language is twofold. One, it clarifies what data must be collected to understand performance. Second, it enables you to measure effectiveness over time. For the previous example, we'd track sales rep ID, receipt ID, notice ID, date, and time of sale, all evidence of policy performance. Let's meet a process owner responsible for policy governing spending reports. Rule: the budget analyst will submit the spending report to their department supervisor as required. Is it enforceable? No, because as required is ambiguous. We have a responsible party and outcome, but no defined condition. When observability features are missing, enforceability and auditability are at risk. Avoid phrases like as required, if applicable, sufficient, when appropriate, as needed. They create uncertainty and room for misinterpretation. To write enforceable policy, use definite language that removes subjectivity. Examples: must submit before 5 p.m. EST every Monday, required when the patient is under 18. Rewriting our earlier rule: the budget analyst will submit the spending report to their department supervisor every Friday. Now, the condition is defined, and we know exactly what data to observe for measurement. Once you collect the right data, audit information is instantly accessible. Your data becomes the evidentiary matter proving governance performance. Performance gaps become visible early, enabling proactive correction before audit. This posture keeps you audit ready and capable of sustaining it. Today, you learned an enforceable policy is observable and measurable. Every directive must include a responsible party, outcome, and condition. Observability defines what to measure, and enforceability builds the foundation for auditability, improving readiness and sustainability. Thank you for joining me. If this was helpful and you'd like to assess the enforceability of your policies in real time or measure policy effectiveness across governance domains, visit Sybal. We look forward to being your independent governance partner. If you have clients to refer, visit our partner page to join our partner network. This presentation is for educational purposes only and should not be construed as legal advice.